The Looban workshop, named after Looban, an ancient Chinese woodcraft master, is a Chinese vocational workshop program training talent overseas. In Portugal, a Looban workshop was co-founded by the Polytechnic Institute of Setúbal and Tianjin Vocational College of Mechanics and Electricity in North China's Tianjin municipality in 2018. It is the first of its kind on the European continent and mainly offers two majors, electrical automation and industrial robotics. Hugo Frazel, a graduate of IPS, took 2 short training trips to Tianjin for Looban Workshop's training program.
I want to say that the Looban experience is something that you carry out with your life because it prepares you to future situations. As an example, I can say that after my bachelor's, I felt more confident to start working in a practical environment. Because in Looban workshop, I did not only gain knowledge, I also made friends for life. I created a lot of memories and a lot of good times. So I recommend to any student, any teacher to be part of this project.
Under the guidance of China's Ministry of Education, the Looban Workshop project is initiated and promoted by Tianjin Municipality, which provides both degree education and vocational training.
就是我们能够把我们先进的教学装备、我们的专业标准、我们的教学资源，能够输送到一个发达国家，也说明了我们中国职业教育经过这几十年的发展。应该说我们取得了非常好的成就。
Since the very first Looban workshop in the world was established in Thailand in 2016, a total of 21 have been built in 20 countries.